Are you a reader that can't help but read emails even when you don't have the time for them? If the answer is yes, you're in luck. There are many platforms out there that will pay you to do just that. In this blog post, we'll discuss some of the most popular ways to make money by reading emails. So watch on and find out how to start reading emails for cash. Get paid to read emails. How does it work? Reading emails can be a great way to make money online. There are a lot of different ways to do it, and the options are endless. In this article, we'll explore how to make money by reading emails by providing 14 examples. From monitoring email newsletters to providing customer reviews, there's something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Get watching! 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is an online rewards program that pays you for reading emails and watching videos. You can earn points by doing things like shopping, playing games, and more. Once you have earned enough points, you can redeem them for gift cards or PayPal payments. It's a great way to make some extra money while spending less time online. 2. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is a great way to make money by reading emails. You can earn rewards for reading and respond to emails, or you can provide reviews of the emails you read. It's important to set your expectations correctly and be honest with emailers about what you can do. Make sure you read the terms and conditions before starting any work. These can vary a lot from company to company. 3. MyPoints. MyPoints is an email reading and rewards program that pays you for reading emails. The more emails you read, the more points you earn, which can then be exchanged for cash or other rewards. There are many different ways to make money from MyPoints. From doing surveys to referring people to the program, it's an easy and convenient way to make extra money without any hustle, letting you stay up to date with industry news and trends simultaneously. 4. Paid to read emails. Reading emails can be a great way to earn some extra money. There are many paid email reading platforms available which allow you to read emails from any type of company or individual. You can also be paid per click or conversion from your email reading activity. This way you can make money while staying up to date with the latest industry trends and developments. 5. Inbox Pays. If you're looking to make money from email reading, Inbox Pays is the perfect platform for you. It has a wide range of paid and free email reading services that will suit your needs. Once registered, the platform will provide you with a list of emails to read. You can choose which ones to read and how much money you want to earn for each one based on how long it takes you and how good the content is. Make sure that your reading material is high quality, as if readers don't enjoy what they see, they won't spend any time reading your emails or rewards points. 6. Inbox Pounds. Email subscription services can be a great way to earn money. Reading and responding to emails can be lucrative if you have an email subscription service. There are various ways in which subscribers can make money from email subscriptions through commissions, tips, or pay-per-view. You will need to be good at multitasking and handle lots of incoming emails quickly. Make sure you read the terms and conditions carefully before signing up for any email subscription service. 7. Cash for Offers. Cash for Offers can be a great way to make money from home. There are several ways you can find offers and earn money, as well as ways to share them with your friends and family. It is important to read emails selectively, only signing up for those that interest you. By doing this, you'll avoid wasting time reading emails that aren't worth your time or effort. 8. Rupee Inbox. If you're looking for an easy way to make money, an email reading is the way to go. Several companies offer this service, and all you have to do is sign up with one and then start reading emails. Once you have started, the company will provide you with detailed instructions on how to rate and review emails to earn cash rewards. Make sure that only the emails worth your time are read, as not all of them will pay off. It can be quite addictive, so be prepared for hours-long sessions wherein nothing else gets done but reading email after email. 9. Quick Records. Quick Records is the best email reading software out there because it offers a myriad of ways to make money. From commission schemes to paid subscriptions, you can find what works best for you. Plus, as an email reader for businesses, Quick Records gives you complete control over your time and enables you to read and analyze emails quickly and accurately. By doing so, not only will you be able to save valuable time, but also outperform your competition. 10. CashCrate. If you're looking for ways to make some extra money, signing up for a free account at CashCrate is a great way to get started. Once registered, you can start receiving offers to read emails or watch videos. Completing these tasks earn you cash rewards, which can then be deposited into your account immediately. You can also earn cash by completing surveys or by writing reviews on selected products or services. So why not give it a go today? Email reading is one of the most popular online tasks people are paid to do. By reading email and extracting valuable info, you can make money online by signing up with email reading companies. However, before signing up, read our blog to learn more about how you can make money from email reading. This way, you can choose the best method that suits your unique reading style and reading goals.